welcome to my channel. This is Cara from GZ Luxuries. So today, let's have a look at the typical handbags from Louis Vuitton, Look Hobo. Now this nice bag is already beside me. You know, when I first check it, I really love its shape, the half moon shape. It shows the LV's craftsmanship about this. Material is so nice with the typical LV logo, and beside this bag it also have two compartments with this tiny little purse. You can also put it into this bag or whatever the other bag. You can also carry the tiny things. And I also love the design of these double rings because I can adjust maybe the ring to the middle or to the other side. Besides that, I love this shining chain design because I can use it as a chain bag. Also, I can also carry this leather strap for my needs. So now we can check the details. Now we can check the whole details. The whole shape is a half moon shape. And we can check closer about this material. It's a mix of monogram and monogram reverse coated canvas material. And I also like this typical Louis Vuitton logo and this diamond patterns. That is so nice. And we can also check the right side of this bag. Here, we can check there is also a buckle. So besides the chain, we can also have a leather strap to be matched with this bag. That's a nice option. And about this nice piping is also made of the leather material. So when I touch it, it feels durable and nice. And I also like this contrast color design with the compared with the front and the back. It shows a delicate design. So the thing about the base part of this beautiful bag, you can check closer. It's also a leather with the canvas design. Okay, and then we can move for the back part. It's also with the typical monogram canvas material. Now we can check the chain part. I really like the typical design of the steering, and we can check below there is a typical logo of Louis Vuitton. And this whole chain is made of the golden hardware. It's shining and beautiful. And I especially like these two ring designs. Here you can also check maybe closer with the typical Louis Vuitton logo here. So now let's check the inside part of this nice bag with this double zipper. Okay. Here is two compartments with this tiny purse. We can check closer with the material of monogram, the typical logo, and we can also check a typical logo of this zipper with the golden hardware. Is really nice. And let me open it. So I think, let me open better for you. And these are two rooms. Maybe you can put your credit cards here, and you can put some cash or maybe napkin in the other space. So this purse is fully neat for your tiny and little things. Okay. And attach the purse, we do have a leather strap, so you can better attach in the main purse. Is the also here you can check is Louis Vuitton's logo here. That's really beautiful. The thing is the back side, and I also like this nice stitching of this leather. It's so beautiful. Okay, and inside the bag we do have a certificate of this manual of Louis Vuitton, so you can check the details later. So now we can check the whole inside part. The large size is totally, I think the space is totally enough. And this is micro fiber lining. You can feel its craftsmanship and with the nice lining. Okay, and also here, maybe we can check closer. Here is a typical logo of Louis Vuitton Paris. And in the side of this bag, you can check here, there is a typical code for each bag. And here is also D-ring for the attachment of that little and tidy nice purse. And we can also check the diverse nice lining. And here you can check a typical Louis Vuitton logo, Paris. So these are all the details of this nice bag. As for me, first of all, this half moon shape is totally attracting factor for me when I choose the bag, because it's so beautiful. And besides this size, I also really like these tiny compartments, because when I go out, maybe I can put my key and also my credit card. So it's totally enough. And I also like this zipper with the logo. It's really nice. And now we can check the main bag for this large size, because when I go outside, so besides the medium size, I need also prepare for a large size bag. So this is totally enough. For example, now besides me is an 11-inch L pad, and I can easily to put in my bag. Let me show you an example. Okay, already been here. So you can check. It still make this half moon shape without any change. And I also like this double zipper design to choose which side I prefer. So that's it for about today's typical LV loop hobo. If you also like this bag, feel free to contact us. We have WhatsApp, Instagram, and our website where you can easily find us. Also, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. That is really important to us. And I truly recommend you can subscribe our channel, because we will post different kinds of really nice bags 3 times per week. And you can leave also your comment here. Maybe next time your comments back will be shown in our video. So see you next time. Bye bye.